In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks. If you've ever found yourself needing a flexible invoicing option where you can bill clients incrementally based on project phases or completion percentage, then you're in the right place. Progress invoicing allows you to do just that, and I'm here to guide you through the setup process, step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to the Settings section of your account to enable progress invoicing. To do this, start by clicking on the gear icon. You can usually find this icon at the upper right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This part is crucial as it contains all the necessary customization and configuration options for your QuickBooks experience. After entering the Account and Settings section, you'll need to look for the Sales tab on the left sidebar and go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you to sales-related settings where you'll find all the configurations associated with invoicing, sales forms, and preferences. Within the Sales tab, you'll see an option labeled Progress Invoicing. Clicking on this will open the specific setting that will let you create partial invoices. Now here's the important part. Once you're in the Progress Invoicing settings, you'll need to turn on the feature that allows you to create multiple partial invoices from a single estimate. This is the key to enabling Progress Invoicing in your QuickBooks account. Once you've enabled Progress Invoicing, make sure it's turned on as expected. Don't forget to click the Save button when you're finished. This step is crucial, as it saves all the changes you've made and ensures that Progress Invoicing is actively available for your future transactions. With this feature now enabled, you can manage projects more effectively and maintain cash flow throughout the course of a long-term job. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Progress Invoicing in QuickBooks Online. This feature is an invaluable tool for businesses that work on projects over a period of time and need to invoice clients in stages. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.